This week, a new game-changing feature has been added into the Vidnami online video creation app, which allows you to record directly from your webcam and create presenter-style videos in under 10 minutes. And to celebrate this new webcam feature, there's a 40% lifetime discount on offer and you get their video marketing bonus pack for free, but only until midnight PST on Friday, February 26th. The team at Vidnami has now helped businesses create over 1,919,687 videos using their artificially intelligent video creation app. And one thing they've learned from these videos is that the big video trend for 2021 is authenticity. That is, real people creating real videos by speaking directly to their phones or webcams. So in the video linked to below, they explain how you and your business can use authenticity to connect with your audience and build a massive online following. You'll discover how market leaders like Gary Vaynerchuk are using authenticity to build a massive following and dominate their industries. If you don't know who he is, he's also known as Gary V and is a best-selling author, speaker, and serial entrepreneur who's also worked with some of the top Fortune 100 companies. One of the secrets of Gary V's success is using presenter-style videos to build a massive worldwide audience of over 3.6 million followers on Facebook and over 8.8 million followers on Instagram. In the video linked to in the description below, you'll see a brand new way to create authentic videos using just your laptop and webcam, no editing skills required. Plus how to create broadcast quality videos that combine talking head clips and stock footage in under 10 minutes. The great news is you don't need to write a script. As soon as an idea for a video pops into your head, simply grab your laptop, launch Vidnami, and casually chat to your webcam. Then click the transcribe button and Vidnami will analyze your video and automatically create your script. With just a few clicks of your mouse you can then add clips, images, background music. And in less than 10 minutes you've got a professional presenter-style video that's ready to share with your audience. Presenter-style videos created with your webcam are perfect for corporate training videos, video newsletters, online course videos, educational videos, or just for staying in touch with your audience. So here's what you get if you take advantage of this promotion before it ends. 40% off Vidnami for life, saving $216 per year on your subscription. Unlimited access to over 978,000 premium video clips included free with your Vidnami account, saving $348 per year. Unlimited access to over 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks included free with your Vidnami account, saving $240 per year. A free copy of the Video Traffic Blueprint pack of templates that are now responsible for over 7 billion video views. A free copy of the Smartphone Camera Tips ebook where you discover the exact mic and lighting system to use so you get pro results straight away. A free copy of the 5-minute Facebook ad formula ebook that describes the 3 secrets for creating high-converting video ads on Facebook. A free copy of the YouTube SEO cheat sheet that helps you quickly rank your videos on YouTube and Google. A free copy of the 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet that shows you how to start a profitable video agency from the comfort of your own home. And a free copy of the Eliminate Writer's Block Forever ebook that teaches you a simple process that helps you create unlimited content. That's over $1,406 of value. But that's not all. Get Vidnami through my bonus page link, which you'll find in the description below, and you'll also get my exclusive bonus pack of 25 additional products worth $2,800. All in, this special offer delivers over $4,200 of value, and all you pay today is just $29. But it's only available until midnight Pacific time this Friday, so act now to lock in your Vidnami 40% off discount for life and get your bonus video marketing bonus pack for free. If you liked this video, then please smash that like button, subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching.